How to see who visited your Instagram profile or whether it's possible to see or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now under For Professionals, tap on Account Types and Tools. Now simply click on Switch to Professional Account and tap on Next. Now select any category and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Now tap on Next. Now click on Not Now. Now once you're done, tap on the cross icon at the top left corner. Again tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now under For Professionals, simply tap on Insights. Now tap on Account List. As you can see, you can only find the number of persons who visited your profile. You won't be able to see their name or profile. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.